Hey guys, this is what we're going to be doing today. This is the fall grid, and it's a lot of fun, and it's also very easy, believe it or not. So the first thing you need is a regular piece of drawing paper and a ruler, but I can't find my ruler, so I'm just going to a piece of paper that I have folded in half, and it makes a great ruler. So I'm going to make a grid with my Sharpie. So one line all the way down, and I'm going to draw one up here. And one down here. I should have 4 separate sections. The first thing that we're going to draw is a pumpkin. We're going to draw that in the largest square or rectangle. I'm going to make a small oval in the center. And now I'm just going to draw some half circles or half ovals on both sides. And I'm going to do it one more time. Oh, my dog's driving me crazy. And we need a stem. I'm going to get kind of crazy with my stem because I can. And you know what? I want some curly cues. Whoops, sorry, that's my dog. Sorry about that. Our pumpkin's done. Now we're going to make an eggplant up here. An eggplant, it's kind of shaped like a whale. So I'm going to start here, come around. I'm going to come up there. And then a rainbow line, and then a jagged top. And a stem. And another curly cue because I like doing curly cues. We're going to do a leaf here. I always start with the stem. So 2 curved lines like that. And make an upside down U. And then like another U. And come around. So you're doing just a U, now a rainbow line, come back down a U, another rainbow line or upside down U, however you want to call it. So there's a leaf. And down here, we're going to make an acorn. Comes to a point. Let's do the little cap. Like that. And then a stem. So we got everything colored or drawn. Now we're going to color. We're going to start with the pumpkin. And I'm going to use a couple colors. This one I think is called butter. Yeah, corn on the cob. And then I've got 2 other oranges. And I'm going to pull out a red also, just so I have it, because I'm going to use some of these also for my leaf. I'm going to start in the center. And I'm going to color hard. This is going to give it some make it look more 3D. I'm also going to color my stem. Thought while I have it out, I'm going to use it. And then I'm going to do just a little bit at the bottom of my leaf like this. Color hard. Going to take my lightest orange. I'm going to go around in a circle of what I colored before. Now notice I'm going up and down because that's the way the pumpkins grow. And I'm going fast. Then I'm going to use a little bit of this in my leaf. Notice I'm going over a little bit of what I previously colored. And I am drawing or coloring hard. And I'm even kind of using my finger to blend it. I need to get rid of some of my paper on here. Take my next darker color and I'm going to color the rest. So I'm following my lines that I drew. Okay, I went ahead and finished my pumpkin. I will color this green. So now I'm going to work on my leaf. Remember, always go over a little bit of what you colored previously. So I'm using my darker orange. And you notice there's no straight lines when I'm doing this because when things are blending, it's not like, oh, here, we have to have a straight line. I'm going to use my red. Also going over what I previously colored. And I'm coloring dark. I like to color dark when I'm using my crayons. Okay, so I'm going to finish this. So I've done my leaf. Now I'm going to work on my stems. Up here, I'm going to use my lighter color. And I think I'm going to do a little bit of light there. And then, I'm going to go over it all with my darker color. I'm using crayon, but you could use watercolor on this project too. That might look really, really cool. I don't really like using marker because you cannot get that real nice gradation of color like I've done here. It's all just one note. There are times that markers are really good for coloring, but for something like this, I prefer my crayons. Okay. This I'm going to color purple, and this, of course, browns, and I'll meet back with you in a minute. I have everything colored in, all of my objects colored in. So the next step is just to color your background. Here is my finished product. And I hope you enjoyed this. So please send a picture of your finished product to me. And I can't wait to see it. I'll see you later. Bye.